Hello Sportyfriends admins. In this video I will show you how to redirect your Sportyfriends page to your own domain. As always, we go into the admin section and then we click on integration. From there we go to the custom domains and click configure. You then have to write down your domain in the first line. Next, you want to go down to connect your domain and copy the first line, and then we're gonna click on save changes. Now you have to go to hostmasters.dk and log in. Once you are logged in, you click on your domain name as I just did in this video. We then scroll down and on the right hand side you shall click on change name server. In the box where it say new primary name server, you shall paste the text that you previously copied. We then press next and then confirm. You have now successfully redirected your page, but be aware that it might take up to 24 hours for your redirection to go through. I hope you enjoyed this video.